Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can leave a feedback in the Impulse application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And here you can see your profile. Now click on the little settings button on the bottom of on the top of the page on the left, and just scroll down and click on leave feedback. And here you can just type your opinion, leaving any feedback that would help the application improve. And after that, just type your email so they can give you feedbacks and they can answer anytime they wish. So and after that, just click on submit and you left the feedback. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.